we're out in Kolob, end of April 2026, chasing lake monsters once again. Caught like 6 fish. Well, I lost one, but it's only 7 o'clock and I've already caught 6 fish. Well, 5. I lost one in the boat, but I'll check back in with you folks in a little bit, man. Let's try to get a big one.
Stand down. Oh, it's another nice rainbow. Whoa. Let's see if we can get him. He's mad. Boom. Another nice one. Staying down. Nice little rainbow. .8. No. Absolutely fat rainbow. Nice one. Kolob Reservoir, 10:30, and I'm out. Plus, you got to remember this is where I caught my PB tiger.